A super tasty filling is stuffed inside tofu and braised into incredibly succulent and mouth-watering.
This is one of my favorite ways to make tofu. Just give it a try. I'm sure you and your family will love it.
Cut the firm tofu into 8 pieces. And we're gonna sprinkle some salt over the tofu on the top and the bottom. Salt seasons the tofu and makes them more durable. Rest for about 5 minutes. Use a small spoon to scoop out the center of each piece of tofu. Reserve the scooped out tofu for the filling. In a mixing bowl, add the ground pork, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and water. The water makes the pork soft and juicy. Mix well. Also add the reserved tofu, carrots, and scallions. Mix well. Place the filling in the center of each piece of tofu. In a plate, add the cornstarch. Dip the stuffed tofu in the cornstarch. In a pan over medium heat, pour the oil inside. Carefully place the tofu in the pan. Pan fry until golden brown. Add both the top and the bottom for about 5 minutes in total. Remove the stuffed tofu and drain. In a bowl, mix in the chicken stock. You can also replace it with water, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and cornstarch. Mix well. In a clay pot over medium heat, or any regular pots, add the oil and garlic. Stir fry until aromatic for about 20 seconds. And we're gonna pour the chicken stock and seasonings inside. Add the cabbage, enoki mushrooms, and stuff the tofu. Cover the lid and braise over medium heat until completely cooked through for about 6 minutes. And garnish with scallions. Be positive, be kind, and happy cooking. Enjoy!
This is absolutely amazing. The tofu has fully absorbed the sauce. And once you bite into it, there's also a surprise waiting for you inside. So good. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!